Hey, so this is my final build for the Habit project. Basically what we've got here is kind of a cup holder that reminds you to drink water. Originally I wanted to kind of play around with my sit to stand desk, and I played around with it a little bit. The idea was to automate making me sit to stand during the day, and I got some BJTs to basically trigger the sit to stand, and that worked pretty well. I also worked on, you may be able to see it here, there's this little system down here which basically detects whether or not the desk is high or low with a little switch. But then ultimately when it came to writing the software for that, I realized that it's not really something I'd want to use. A desk that automatically changes position during the day would probably get really annoying, and I figured eventually I'd just disconnect the system after a couple of days. So instead I worked on the thing that I actually wanted, which was this cup holder that basically reminds me every now and then to drink some water. So I'll demonstrate it now. Just plug it in up here. Okay, so there's a few components to it. So one of the components is that there is this switchboard here. So originally I integrated everything into the sit to stand desk interface, but what we have here is an IR sensor. So this thing only triggers when it detects a person. I'll see if I can get this working. Maybe reset it. Okay, so you can kind of see it there, trying to get out of the way. It's doing this kind of breathing mode, which is what it does when it's in standby. It doesn't detect a person in the room. And as soon as I walk in front of that IR sensor, there you go, it's detected that I'm here, and basically this flashing light saying, hey, put a water bottle or something in me so that I can remind you to drink some water. So if I put this here, it goes into this kind of countdown mode, and it's slowly counting down. Looks kind of cool with the clear plastic bottle as well. And once the countdown's completed, I've sped it up much faster than I'd normally want it. I think at the moment it's 30 seconds or something. And it's about to time out now. And then now it's reminding me, hey, drink some water, drink some water. It looks really cool. And if I pick the bottle up, have a sip, and put it back, it goes back to the countdown again. The other feature is if I keep it off here long enough, eventually it'll say, hey, there hasn't been a bottle on me for long enough, or for a long time, and it'll go back into that warning mode again. So that's my hydration, drink water build thing. Hopefully it helps remind me to drink more water during the day. The main challenges I had with this project was really that I tried pursuing that sit-stand thing for a long time. And I guess the lesson that I learned from that is just to make sure that I spend a little bit more time in brainstorming, really thinking okay, this sounds like a cool build, but is it something that I actually would want to use? Yeah, I think that was a big lesson learned this time around. Looking forward to seeing what you guys build, and yeah, thanks for watching.